ConTRACKtor Pro, a must-have app for any professional. You can create a new account on the website through the app. If you forget your password, you can find it there. This is the main dashboard of the app where you have a lot of different information coming at you. If you go to the Jobs tab, you can see all the jobs, anything that's pending, in progress, or completed. From there, we can go to the New Job. If you add one, you can add all that information in. You can do a flat rate, you can do an hourly rate. If you look at your clients in the Clients tab, you can see all your clients. If you click on a client, you can see what you've done for that client. If you want to add a new client, this sheet right here will allow you to add anything you need to add for that new client. If you go to a specific job, you can click on that job, go to the bottom, and it'll generate an invoice by clicking that invoice button. Then you can copy or send that to the customer. We also have tax documents for every month, so you can print them off every month so you stay ahead of your taxes. We also have different subscription levels. If you use a lot of people, you'll need the higher subscription. If you don't, you won't. Through the Settings tab right here, you can edit any of your business information. To log out, you just click the Log Out button. Save your business and yourself time and a headache by getting this app to have all of your invoicing and tax information in one place, as well as your clients and your jobs.